Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix incompatible Windows settings error in BlueStacks. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select this view by to category and select uninstall a program. On left side select turn Windows features on or off. In here you just need to disable few things guys. First one is uncheck Hyper-V. If it is checked, uncheck it. And the second one is virtual machine platform, uncheck it. And the third one is Windows hypervisor platform, uncheck it. And the fourth one is Windows sandbox, uncheck it. And the fifth one is Windows subsystem for Linux, just uncheck it. After unchecking these options, select OK to save changes, and it will give you the option to restart now. You just need to select it and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to right click on the BlueStacks and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. And now your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.